A man has been charged with the murder of Claire Austin, who died this year after suffering catastrophic injuries in her own apartment. Claire Austin was 38 at the time of her death, and she was a British national and a marketing professional living in Australia. On the morning of the 12th of April this year, emergency services were called to a unit on Randwick Street, Randwick, that's in Sydney, after neighbours reported screaming and sounds of glass breaking. A neighbour phoned 000 just before 7:30 a.m. following this disturbance. Inside the apartment, Claire was found in a critical condition with severe lacerations to her arm, reportedly caused when she attempted to force her way through a sliding glass door during an alleged attempt to escape a confrontation. The injury severed an artery and she was rushed to hospital, placed on life support, but she died about 3 days later. Her partner, Lee Loughlin, has been charged with her murder and also coercive control. He's 44, an Australian resident originally from Britain, and he's worked in recruitment and co-founded companies such as Lead Group and Viadura. According to police records, an AVO was placed against Loughlin on Austin's behalf just days before her death. Authorities alleged that on the 11th of April, Loughlin spent several hours drinking at the Coach and Horses pub in Randwick before returning home in the early hours of the 12th. Upon return, a loud argument ensued and neighbours heard screaming and glass smashing. On Thursday the 6th, he was arrested in Little Bay and formally charged with murder, domestic violence related, and coercive control, making this one of the first prosecutions under the new coercive control laws in New South Wales. Police established Strikeforce Lindock to investigate Austin's death in detail. According to court documents seen by news.com, Ms. Loughlin is alleged to have engaged in a course of conduct against Claire Austin that consists of abusive behaviour, which intended to coerce or control her and would be likely to cause fear that violence would be used against her. It's been alleged by police that he's engaged in abusive behaviour against Ms. Austin from July 2024 until her death in April. Loughlin did not apply for bail at the first court hearing this morning or on Friday and remains in custody. The investigation is continuing.